Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our Active English. How does the brain clear away the worst? This task is handled by the brain's lymphatic drainage systems and attempts to understand how it operates have driven major advances in brain imaging. A new study published in iScience by researchers at the Medical University of South Carolina reports the first human evidence of a previously unrecognized center or lymphatic drainage in the brain, the medial meningeal artery, that is called MMA. Using a NASA collaboration that gave them access to real-time MRI tools originally designed to study how space flight alters fluid movements in the brain. The MUSC team, led by under Abraham, PhD, followed the movement of cerebrospinal and interstitial fluids along the MMA in five healthy volunteers over 6 hours, and their observations showed that cerebrospinal fluid moved slowly and previously a pattern consistent with lymphatic drainage rather than blood circulation, which could be faster and more pulsatile. We saw a flow pattern that did not behave like blood moving through an artery, and it was slower, more like drainage, showing that this vessel is a part of the brain's cleanup systems too, said Abraham, an associate professor in the Department of Pathology and Laboratory Medicine at MUSC. The central nervous system, which includes the brain and spinal cord, is wrapped in a multi-layer protective covering called the meninges. Yeah, for more than 10 years, Al-Barham has studied meningeal lymphatic vessels, which believes play a crucial role in transporting waste out of the brain and into the body's peripheral lymphatic systems where it can be removed. Until roughly a decade ago, scientists largely believed that the meninges acted as a barrier separating the brain from the immune system, particularly the lymphatic network too. Abraham's research has helped overturn this view by demonstrating that lymphatic vessels are embedded within these membranes and connected to the rest of the body too. Getting a clearer picture of how fluids move between the brain and the periphery is key to expanding strategies for preventing and treating neurological and psychiatric disorder. Amazing, sir. Bow down. In the exclusive report, Glory Globe to be the Bharat.